Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you the Brainway app. So here I'm going to cover the key features, limitations, and whether or not it's the right fit for you by the end of this review. Now, what makes Brainway different? What really sets Brainway apart is that it doesn't just give you another list of tasks to check off. Instead, it helps you understand the underlying factors that affect your productivity. So things like your mood, energy levels, sleep, and even nutrition are tracked to give you detailed insight into how these aspects impact your focus and habits. So the app provides really in-depth data that allows you to recognize patterns in your life. Over time, these insights can help you make informed adjustments to improve your productivity, whether it's adjusting your sleep schedule or changing your diet to boost energy levels. So, one standout feature of the Brainway app is its interactive experiments. So, these are like mini challenges designed to help you break bad habits and build better routines. For example, you can try a caffeine detox or a social media break, and the app helps guide you through this process. Now, on top of that, Brainway also offers mindfulness tools like the meditation and also the breathing exercises, which can be great for reducing stress and improving your focus. So, these features make it a holistic tool that goes beyond just productivity tips. Now, here are a few downsides you should be aware of by using this application. The number one, it requires consistent input. So, for the tracking feature to be truly effective, you need to log your data regularly. So, if you're someone who already struggles with motivation or keeping up with routines, this might be a bit overwhelming. Now, the second one here is information overload. So, while the insights are super detailed, some users feel that the app can become more of an information dump without offering clear, actionable steps to improve productivity. So, if you're looking for a straightforward step by step plan to beat procrastination, this might not be the right app for you. So, in a nutshell, the Brainway app is a powerful tool if you're committed to tracking your data and are interested in the emotional and psychological factors behind procrastination. So, it's great if you want to dig deeper into your habits and make improvements based on detailed insights. However, if you're looking for more direct action plans or quick fixes to boost your productivity, this app might not be the best fit. It's definitely more suited for those who want to take a deeper dive into their behavior patterns. But overall, Brainway is a solid choice if you're ready to commit to logging your data and exploring the emotional aspects of procrastination. But like with any tool, it's important to consider if it aligns with your needs and goals. As always, consider consulting an expert if you're unsure. So that's it for this video. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.